Dear students, now we are discussing about vital statistics, part 1. And in vital statistics, we're going to define a definition like this: the statistical data which is relating to the vital events such as birth, death, marriages, migration, immigration, etc., over a period of a time in a region is called vital statistics. That means data on vital events in a region is called vital statistics, but it is defined by Sir Arthur New Solomon. He says that vital statistics is the whole study of mankind as it is affected by heredity and environment. And also, vital statistics is one of the 6 branches of demography. Demography means a study of population. And how we earn the vital statistics data, how we collect the data. And there are 2 sources, source of vital statistics data. There are 2 types of source for vital statistics data. One is population census. Population census means complete information regarding about the population, about the religion, sex, income, etc., caste. It is conducted in every country at their regular periods, but in our country it is conducted for every 10 years once for collecting the vital statistics data. It is one source for getting data, but it takes a lengthy period. It is not so advisable for collecting the data. Another next best method is vital statistics registers. This type of source is most important in collecting vital events through registers. In the vital registers, the vital events such as birth, death, marriage, migration, immigration, etc., over a period of time in a region is collected. If birth and death happens, then it is our duty to report the birth, death in the register office. The date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, death person, age of death person, place of the death person, marriages, migration, immigration should be reported. It is our primary duty. This type of information can be obtained from municipal corporations, cities, gram panchayatis. This is the best method for collecting the vital statistics data. The measurement of mortality rates we are going to discuss. The mortality rates or death rates both are same. To measure the intensity of mortality, we have 4 types of death rates: crude death rate, CDR, specific death rates, SDR, specific death rates, and standard rate death rates. One by one we study. Crude death rate, it is the simplest death rate. It is the ratio of total deaths to the total population multiplied by 1000, known as crude death rate. It is denoted by M. So therefore crude death rate is equal to CDR is equal to D by P into 1000, and D is the total deaths, P is the total population. Now we move to the specific death rates. The death rates calculated on the basis of specified section of the population, that is age and sex, are called specific death rates. The specific death rates defined like total deaths to the specified section of the population divided by total population of specified section into 1000. Now third one, age specific death rates or ASDR. The specific death rates calculated according to age are called age specific death rates. It is calculated according to age only. It is denoted by MXN, and ASDR is equal to MXN is equal to DXN by PXN into 1000. DXN means number of deaths in the age x to x plus n in the interval. PXN nothing but number of population in the age x to x plus n. If n is equal to 1, the dx mxn is nothing but that is dx mx is equal to dx by px into 1000, where dx is equal to the number of deaths in the age x, px is equal to number of population in the age x. It is also calculated for male wise and female wise. Now we go to the standard death rates, very important. and death rates calculated according to standard population is called standard death rates. It is very useful to compare the mortality at different places. Let us take two regions A and B, and based on A and B, let us calculate AHDR for region A. That is formula mx m of power A dx power A by px power A. Don't take 1000. Dx power A is equal to equation like 1, and the crude death rate for region A, m power A is equal to d power A by p power A, equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2, we get standard death rates by taking standard population PSS. Therefore, standard death rate for region A is defined the formula summation over x mx power A into PSS by PSS. The standard death rate B is defined as just remove A, we get it B, remove C, we get it C. The formula is same. Thank you very much. Next we go to discuss in the second section tomorrow.